There has been a major fundamental shift in the global markets, and Bitcoin knows. Bitcoin is bouncing right now together with the entire altcoin market, and on today's update video, I want to be breaking down about what is exactly happening right now, what are the reasons of this major pump, and what does this exactly mean for you and me. I'm going to be breaking down the most important stories, the most important charts on the market right now, discuss Bitcoin, where it is heading towards next year, my trades that I currently have open, and my upcoming trades I am willing to take. So don't forget to once again slap on the like button. Back above 1,000 likes will be highly appreciated. And with that have being said, let me jump straight away in towards today's update video. So yesterday, Bitcoin started to pump, filled up the CME cap, which we were already expected to get filled up eventually. And actually, with this major rally towards the upside, most people were guessing of the real reasons why this was happening. But actually, I already showed you way before this rally happened behind all of this, because we are basically seeing stealth QE right now. And today is also the Federal Reserve meeting. Maybe we're going to hear something about this, but to quickly summarize what is happening, yesterday the Fed first of all purchased $20 billion in 3-year government bonds there, and this has been their largest daily purchase since 2021, which was of course the QE area. They are slowly injecting liquidity. Well, of course, the rates are not being cut. So it's a stealth QE. This is what it basically means here. And then later today, we got even bigger breaking news. And guys, to clarify, I was the first one to bring this to the entire market, and now everyone is talking about this. And I even talked about it before Bitcoin pumped, because apparently Bitcoin is pumping on this news here, because I'm going to be breaking it down in a second. But yesterday also, the Federal Reserve announced another $42 billion worth of 10-year government bonds. And yes, this is once again a signal of stealth QE here. And let me quickly break down what this means here. So the Federal Reserve, they buy these government bonds here, and this is not necessarily a routine action thing here. It is a direct injection of liquidity in the markets, and these have been the biggest daily purchase since 2021, which also shows you there is some fundamental shifts happening right now. And they don't want to do it in terms of rate cuts, because if they're going to cut rates right now here, they probably are going to be losing global faith from all the other people. And if they're just slowly and secretly injecting more liquidity through these government bonds there, most people are not going to be recognizing that, and they can basically slowly inject liquidity in the market here. Because if they're going to be publicly print, it is obviously going to be breaking the trust. If they publicly drop the rates very quickly, it is going to be breaking the trust, and it's going to be ultimately breaking the system. So very bullish news here, and the markets, they know this is happening. They see this is happening in the background, and of course that is one of the reasons why Bitcoin saw this major rally towards the upside. I mean, in the end of the day, like $60 billion is not a lot of money of injection in towards the economy, but still, it is the beginning of more and more stimulus entering the market again here, and ultimately, that is what is going to cause the next major rally across altcoins and Bitcoin. And I mean, I have been looking at the potential Bitcoin trade to take here. I've always said whenever Bitcoin breaks its support line, my support is going to be this level, 91K, and I'm going to be longing Bitcoin. But as long as that is not happening, I will still remain to make profit with my current already ongoing trade here on Pionex. And guys, if you want to be trading yourself right now on Pionex or copy my trades, you can literally go to the link description to copy my trades here. I mean, my trades have been doing absolutely amazing, and if you've been copying them, congratulations. And right now as well, if you sign up an account to Pionex right now, guys, a free $30 towards $100 immediately upon registration. So you don't have to do anything, just sign up using the link below, guys, and you get a free $30 to $100 by just signing up an account here. So make sure to check it out in the link description of today right now, because it's definitely one of the more valuable exchanges, and the product that they are offering is actually making me a lot of money and doing a very great job, like you can see. I mean, I've been showing these trades ever since I opened them, and they are doing very well. They're consistently bringing in the very nice little profits here. So doing very great on that here. Ultimately, Bitcoin over here on the daily time frame, it broke still above this very important critical level of resistance, and now it is slowly coiling up once again towards towards the upside, which is of course very great news. We're still right now in the top side of this reaccumulation phase here, and ultimately of course the big level of resistance is going to be at 107k level. And yeah, really what I'm going to be looking at for Bitcoin is of course the next major resistance to be around the $100,000 barrier. And ultimately, I've been also saying it on yesterday's video, I do think that right now we are about to create that last wave towards the upside. And I really think this is going to be the last wave of this bull market before we're probably going to be going in towards a bigger bear market. And of course, whenever I'm going to be seeing these top indicators start to flash here, guys, you will be the first one to know on the channel here. So I really think it's going to be the final leg higher. I'm going to be starting to scale into big short positions, especially on altcoins, whenever I do think the market is going to be topping out here. And of course, I'm going to be talking about it on the channel here. So don't forget to subscribe right now. Turn on those bell notifications because these are one of the most important times to be looking at. And I mean, I've been also exactly predicting the lower side, right? We've been predicting the falling wedge pattern. Whenever we broke outside of it, the continuation exactly happened. Of course, you need some patience, like 4 or 5 days. But after that, we did saw that major rally higher. And honestly, right now, still the consensus is we broke above key resistance. We are seeing clear reversal signals, and likely we are going to be going up towards new all-time highs here. So that is the consensus right now on the imminent short term. I mean, if I'm going to be looking at some very important news stories, we do see China also starting to cut rates here. So once again, we have seen Europe cut rates. Now it's also China cutting rates. We're seeing global injection of liquidity coming back in towards the market, which is ultimately super bullish. Then also we saw yesterday Trump saying he is 100% convinced the Federal Reserve will cut its rates here. And ultimately, if that is going to be happening as well, we are going to be seeing trillions of dollars enter the crypto market, and altcoins will most likely do extremely well here. And of course, there's also some tension between India, Pakistan right now. It's not nice what is currently happening, but Trump has been stated that India agrees to eliminate all tariffs on US goods here, and that is of course a great thing for the economy worldwide here. So a lot of things happening right now here. Liquidity is being built up on both sides here, so make sure to still be careful. And really, in my opinion, as long as Bitcoin is still going to be breaking this upper support line, I still think we're going to come back towards $91,000. And if we come towards $91,000, I will be opening up a big trade on Bitcoin still here. So yeah, I'm going to keep you guys in the loop whenever we're going to be seeing that. Right now, at the same time, if we're going to be looking at the market sentiment compared to the Bitcoin and its current ongoing price here, the market sentiment is absolutely horrible. Not a lot of people are interested. I mean, I can see it also in views, not only on my channel, but on all the channels around there. I can see it in all the data. Market sentiment isn't here right now here, but the prices are cooling up right now. So super excited for how that's going to be unfolding. We are seeing once again a major buy signal on Bitcoin. Historically, every single time whenever this happens, it does very, very well here. So super excited for all these things here. Then today as well, we're going to get the new update on Ethereum, the Pectra update, which is going to be allowing better upgrades to staking, blobs, and account abstractions. So yeah, very great things what we're currently seeing today here. We are also seeing almost no retail interest in Ethereum, and honestly, it is right now still Bitcoin season, but usually the best opportunities always align whenever it is Bitcoin season and not altcoin season. So super excited for that here. I do believe Ethereum is about to create a major rally higher from off this point here. It has been strongly bouncing back towards the upside. It has been cooling up right now here. It's been consolidating right here, but ultimately, I think that whenever we're going to be breaking above this high right here, which is going to be the $1,860 level, we are going to be seeing the big push higher here. So this is the level I'm looking at here. We're currently consolidating against it. We're clearing sell orders, but whenever we're going to be clearing it. And I mean, also we have seen that Ethereum is quite heavily undervalued right now here, which ultimately makes myself very bullish. So this is it for me in today's update video. If you did enjoy it, learn something from this video, slap on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.